Hello, this is the video demonstration for Challenge 12, the department organizer and employee tracker. If you get to the Git Bash terminal, you type in nodeserver.js. We enter that. We are given a list of options to pick from. We can view employees, add, update, delete employees. We can view roles, add roles, delete roles. We can view all departments, add department, delete a department, and we can quit from this prompt. So let's just start with how about we view all departments. We can select that, and we have a list of departments that were hard coded into the database. Let's just say that we want to add a new department. We can select add department. And we're prompted with a question. We have to give the name of the department. Well, let's just say that it's, we're going to create a department called HR. Let's view the departments, and we have HR. We can see it's been added to the database. And let's just say we can view all roles. Here we have a list of roles, the department, and the salary for that title. And let's just say we want to add a new role. We can select add role. We have to give the title of the new role. And let's just say it's hiring. We have to give the correct salary for that role. Let's just give it, let's say 100,000 a year. And we have to select the correct department for that role. And we'll just say that it's part of HR, the new one that we just created. So if we go to view all roles, you can see that we have a new role, hiring. It's part of the HR department, and we set it at 100,000 a year. So let's just say we want to view all the employees in the company. Here we have a list that's already been hard-coded. If we want to add a new one, we just go to add employee. We have to give a first name. We'll just say test for the first name, last name. We'll just say test2. After that, we have to select the employee's title. Let's just give the new one that we created, hiring. Select that. We have to select a manager. We'll just select someone's name here, Oliver Cromwell. We will go back to view all employees, and you can see here that we have test as the first name, test2 as the last name. This is the title that we selected, hiring. This is the correct department, HR. The salary that we set was 100,000, and the manager that we selected was Oliver Cromwell. Let's just say that this new person that we added no longer works at the company, so we can. Well, actually, let's do this first. Let's update their role. Let's just check out this function. So we can also update the employee role. So we can select this. We can select from the list of employees. Let's just select the new one that we created, test. And we have to assign them a new role. Let's say, let's give them, maybe they want to do software engineering instead of hiring in HR. So we can select software engineering, and we can view those roles. And you can see that the role, the title, has been updated to software engineering. The department is engineering, and that salary is also changed to 120,000, which is what was set for software engineers. So let's just say that we want to delete an employee. Maybe someone no longer works at the company. We select delete employee. Just select the person that we created, test2, or test for the first name, test2 for the last name. And we can see that test it's been confirmed here. Test has been removed from the database. So we view all employees. That employee is no longer in the database. So let's just say we want to delete a role. We select delete role. And let's just say, since we no longer have test in the list anymore, hiring is no longer being used. So we can remove hiring. Hiring has been removed from the database. We can then go to view all roles, and you can see that hiring is no longer a part of the roles in the database. We can also delete any departments. And let's just say we want to delete a new department that we added, HR. We can just select that. HR has been removed from the database. If we go to view all departments, HR is no longer in the database. And let's see, anything else that we have not tried? Oh, and if we want to end the program or the prompt, we just select quit and we get a little console log saying goodbye. I also need to demonstrate that I used Inquirer. Here's the package that I've been using, Inquirer here. You can see that it's come up here in the questions that in the prompt, the name of the department, entering the role, salary, selecting the correct department. I also need to show that I used MySQL. And here I've imported MySQL as well, MySQL 2. I can bring up let's say, bring this up. And we're in MySQL right here. Let's just show databases. So I'm using the employee database. I've already selected employee database, so I'm going to just show tables. And you see here we have departments, employees, roles, and let's just say, I can also do this too. How about this? Let's do source, and I'll just grab this query. Let's copy this path. Right here, and you can see this is the same list that was used in the demonstration, the same list of employees, and this is in the MySQL database. And I think finally I need to show that I use the console.table package, and right there I've imported console.table, and it was shown in the demonstration that right here. This is the result of using the console.table package. Great, thank you very much for watching this.